I'll
What
fuck
city,
your
fam?
wife, Custer. I'm gonna keep it 55th Street.
Who's Custer?
A Custer is a buster with a C on my motherfucking crib. Something nifty on 50s.
What does it mean to be nifty?
You tell a sitch you wanna bust her pussy and asshole open, you fired me, and then you gonna have a nifty issue with her, okay? You fired me, you gonna do nifty things in that Motel 5 with that sitch. Let's go ahead and keep it 55th Street.
How long have you been hanging out here for?
Cuz I got put on, cuz I was a teenager.
What does it mean to get put on?
Okay, well, I can take you in the alley. One of y'all want to catch a friendly fade with Crip Mac?
Nick wants to get put on.
Come on, cuz. Come in the alley. Come on, Nick. No Custer shit. Come on.
All right. I'm a little nervous.
All cuz gotta do is fight back. Swing. Come on, Nick. Swing. Swing, Nick. Maybe the Crip. Cuz got more heart than all these other Custer ass motherfucking video people out here.
I'm off these motherfucking drugs. I be trippin'. If a motherfucker run up on me, bud, I be lippin'. I ain't worried about no nigga catch a slug, then I'm dippin'. Give a fuck about that bitch be trippin' off the liquor. I'm off.
Hola, ¿no vende tacos al pastor? ¿No vende tacos? ¡Hey! ¡Súbele! Alright, that's enough. Alright, I have a crunch wrap, that's it.
Dude, what is this?
It's olives.
Stop talking to me, man. I don't even know you. Talking to me. Trick.
Social on the lead.
Gang in his bitch. Gang in his bitch. Nigga. Gang in his bitch. Gang in his bitch. Hey.
Email address.
My email address is sweaty testes.
Really?
Sweaty testicles was taken.
Oh,
so I had to shorten it.
Gotcha.
At gmail.com.
Email?
Do you shave down there?
Huh?
Do you shave down there?
Sometimes.
At gmail.com.
Oh, that's what it's called?
That's my email address.
That's an interesting email address.
Alright, what's your email address?
My email address is 3 inches long. 2
Same, man. 3 inches long,
2 inches wide.
2 inches wide.
What's the email?
Daddy chill.
Daddy Chill. DADDY.
Yeah, chill. At gmail.com.
I feel like you made that just for here.
I did.
Alright, what is your email?
That's right. Take my email, you peasant.
Okay.
At yahoo.com.
Okay.
What's your email address?
Oh, it's strange, warped, underneath my wiener.
Or is that real?
Yeah,
Is that at Yahoo?
at Gmail. Nobody uses Yahoo anymore, man.
And then I'll need your email.
My email address is at gmail.com.
What?
My email address is at gmail.com.
Just at Gmail? Like I need your email.
Yeah.
What do you mean? Just at
Yeah.
gmail.com?
No, my email address is at gmail.com.
No, I'm confused.
My email address is the
So the word my email address is?
yes.
Oh, are you serious?
My email address is pickleticklefruitybitch at gmail.com. My email address is squirthole.
No, it's not.
Yeah, I swear.
Is that it?
Unfortunately not.
Okay.
Squirthole love stains at gmail.com.
That can't be real. Do you put like that on your job applications?
I haven't applied for one. Email? My email address is bedsheet stinks at gmail.com.
Oh, that's a good one.
My email address is whiskeydickjohnny@gmail.com.
I love it. And email address.
Oh man, the email address is a little embarrassing, but it's stank-taint
Wait. What?
at yahoo.com.
You should get a new email address.
I'd like to wheel that wagon, sir.
What did you just say to me?
Huh?
Come here. You just said something obscene to me.
Said something what?
Obscene to me.
Obscene?
You said you wanted to wheel my wagon, boy.
I said I wanted to wheel your wagon?
You said you wanted to wheel my wagon. You're just gonna stare at me like some dumb son of a bitch?
No, well, I didn't think you were actually gonna get that mad about it, sir. Like, I thought you were actually gonna like it.
So you're a fucking that's what I hear? Keep on pushing down the road. All right, hillbilly kick your ass out of here.
Before you what?
Hillbilly kick your ass out of this damn park. What do you come smart ass? I pay my taxes.
Can I wheel your wagon or not?
What are you saying to me? Seriously, right now?
I'm saying that I want to wheel your wagon.
I don't go that way, bozo. You little motherfucker, you touch me, you're gonna be seeing God.
I'm gonna be
You
seeing.
understand me? You're gonna be seeing God. God, the good Lord, your creator.
I'll just leave, sir.
I'm asking you nicely.
He can definitely
Stop
fucking
it.
wear
You
that.
go all these fucked up outfits. He is not.
That's
My husband is not going out like that.
It's his party.
Fuck you. It's a family party.
It's not right.
Oh, you think you can help me with my school project real quick?
What's it for? What's it for?
Oh, it's for lunch, that's why. Can you help me out real quick or no?
For what?
It's for lunch.
For lunch?
Can you help me out real quick or no?
Yeah, what do you mean?
So basically the question is, what goes up but never comes down?
What goes up but never comes down? I don't know. I don't know.
Your age?
Alright.
Do you get it or no?
Yeah.
Because I'm 18 right now and I can't be 17 anymore. Because you can't. You get it or no?
Yeah.
Can you explain it real quick or no?
Well, it counts up, doesn't count down. It counts up, it doesn't count down.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Oh no, can you explain it for my teacher real quick or not?
Yeah, that your age goes up, but it doesn't come down.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Can I please have guidance center?
You okay?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Yeah, like, can you explain it to my teacher real quick or not?
I just did. I just did.
What do you mean? No, it's for school, remember?
Right. What do you want me to explain? What do you want me to explain?
Oh, the riddle. Can you explain it real quick or not?
Repeat it or? You want me to repeat it?
No, I said, can you explain the joke real quick or not?
Explain the joke? Yeah. I mean, I just did, didn't I?
What do you mean? Oh, it's for school, remember?
Yeah.
Can you explain it real quick or not?
I just did.
What do you mean?
I don't know.
No, I said what goes up but never comes down.
Yeah, you said the age.
Do you get it or no?
Yeah, I got it.
Can you explain it to my teacher real quick or not?
The age goes up, doesn't come down. There, I just did.
What do you mean?
Forget about it, man.
Psst. Hey, Kevin.
What's up?
So, I've just been thinking a lot. And I counted every teacher and every student in this school, and we outnumber the teachers 3-1. So that means, hypothetically speaking, of course, if we really wanted to, we could just take over.
What you mean by that?
You know exactly what I mean. Not tolerating anybody's shit anymore. Finally won't be a punching bag. But anywho, is that gum that you're chewing? My mother never lets me chew gum.
Yeah, you want a piece?
I would love a piece.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got it. Matter of fact, take the whole pack.
Wow, thanks.
Enjoy.
I always liked something about you. You're not like the others. Anyways, let's try this gum. Is this peppermint? I'm deathly allergic to peppermint. You know, I have a gift for you too. Just let me grab
My fault,
it.
bro.
Hey, let me get one of them Russian cream, bro. One of them single
Shut your
Russian creams,
bitch ass
bro.
up.
What?
Smack the fuck out your goof ass.
What? Oh, that's happy, shorty. We don't even play like that around here, bro. You know how we coming out here? Wild hunters, bro. I do not play like that,
Hey,
bro.
big bro, chill, bro. I'm on the phone.
G.
I'm on the phone.
I'm just trying to let you know what it is, bro.
I'm
I
on
catch
the
your
phone,
ass
bro.
when you get off work, bro.
No, I'm on the phone. I ain't talking to you, bro.
All I need is my motherfucking blunt, bro.
Big dog, I'm on the phone, bro. Yeah. You good, man. Appreciate it, man.
Don't make me catch your ass when you get off, bro. I know what you look like, nigga. You know I be out here. I don't even know why you playing like that, G.
What are you trying to get at here? Hello? Sir, please back up a bit, please. Bro, hello? What are you doing, man? Sir, I was sitting there. Can you please get up? Hello?
Excuse me.
I'm over here.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm fine. How you doing?
Good, good. I need help to my car, man.
Okay, where's your car at?
It's a red Sonata.
Okay, give me 1 second.
I feel the road. I feel like it's in this area still.
Yeah, but you're in the middle of the road, so you need to get out the road.
Oh, so you ain't no singer, is you?
No, I'm not.
You sound like a.
No, I'm a personal trainer.
Stop the cap.
You sound like Vivica A. Fox. Yeah, that's who you sound like.
Oh no, I'm just a personal trainer.
Yeah?
Yeah, 40 years strong.
Man, God bless you.
Yeah, no problem.
You
It's
got.
gonna be this
You,
way.
oh, you got the buggy?
Yeah, I got it. I'll put it in the car.
This, oh yeah, this is my car. Yes, ma'am.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you. God bless.
Yeah, you welcome. Hey, hold on. Wait, ain't nobody coming. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Hey, this man blood. Hey, man, stop. Hey, bro. Hey, that man blood.
You know I'm surgical with this bitch, Jake. How you want it, dog? Huh? Closed casket? You remember that fool in the wheelchair? How you think he got there?
How much is it?
$273.
There you go.
That's not real.
What do you mean that's not real?
It's not. Look at this.
That is real.
No, it's not.
He was our president like last year or something.
That's not real though.
You
No,
playing
it's not.
games?
Not you playing games. That's not real. You
Is
need
this
to
not
get
real?
a real bill.
Motherfucker, that's Donald Trump on that bill.
This not a damn bill ain't real.
Man, you better go on somewhere with that, bro.
So my mom was just joking with me.
Your mother did that to you?
Yes.
Bro? You ain't had common sense, bro?
So do you got change for this?
I wish I had my phone on me for this cat, man.
437.
All right. Here you go.
Yeah, they're nice to have them.
No?
You don't have to work, no.
Why not?
Because it's fake. You can tell it's printed.
It's Donald Trump on it.
And that don't mean it's going to pass if it's a printed thing.
No, it's new. Because you remember he was our president?
No, you ain't going to worry about it.
All right.
Why don't you get in the position of your driver's seat and go?
I can't see you, dumbass, is what I'm trying to tell you.
Just get in your driver's seat and go.
Shut up, man.